Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Analyst Explorers. In this video, I will guide you to solve another HackerRank SQL question, that is Weather Observation Station 16. So now let's discuss the question. Query the smallest northern latitude from a station that is greater than 38.7780 and write around your answer for decimal places. So we have an station table. So for this northern latitude, we have to query the smallest value which should be greater than this value, and we have to round the answer to 4 decimal places. So let's write the query. So select minimum northern latitude, and we want it to round to 4 decimal places. So I will use the round function here. Yeah, round, and from the table station. So the filter is where this value northern latitude should be greater than 38.7780, and that's it. So select this value. So from a station where, now let's try to run the code. Yes, we can see that our answer is right. So we have selected the minimum value and rounded it to 4 decimal places of northern latitude from the table, and the filter is this value should be greater than this value. And thank you for watching this video.